That was the start of the last heat in the event number 2, freestyle for men. After this, we continue with the event number 3, 100 meters protocol women. We also have the fastest qualifier, Gregor Sturm from Estonia, only number 4 right now. 1:46 is his feature time.
Boks ja nede i Island Boks.
Hva? Skal det være nu? Ja, der var det.
Island Boks 28.
Right now it's Gregor from Estonia doing a nice distance to stroke. Easy but fast run from Gregor. Now we also see lane number 7 serving from Estonia moving on with Albin Löfgren from Sweden.
Boks kan lidt 0-0.
On the line. Number 7 and lane number 4. Let's see. Gonna be the touch. Here Gregor shows that
Må det kan gøre, så godt.